What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this new video on Solana, which was requested. So this is a requested token. If you want to request an analysis on a specific crypto or token, best way to do that is to join the Discord server, and there you can always ask me. I cannot guarantee that I analyze everything, but Solana, I always like to cover Solana at least once every other day. Not really, but every couple of days I try to update Solana. Today it's actually pretty bullish. It's up about 7.5%. Volume has increased throughout the whole market. It's about 7.3% of the market cap for Solana right now. That's not great. That's not bad. It's just normal. But apart from that, I mean, it's looking pretty good for Solana compared to other cryptos. I mean, as you can see, it's more bullish than Bitcoin. It's just really moving along with the market. It's right here. It's among Cake and GMT, Uniswap. It's not really a lot you can say about that. If we take a look at the analysis though, that gets a little bit more interesting because, and I have to be honest about this, I actually expected that we would stay between 32.5 and 29.5. All right. So my last analysis was wrong. I was way more bearish on Solana. Which in hindsight was probably too bearish. So a quick update. I mean, what we did today is we found resistance here at 32.5. According to my analysis, we would have to drop it back down. But what we did is we actually broke out above that. We already have had a bullish breakout for Solana. So now what I think is going to happen is I think we'll either take a break retest off of 32.5 or not. But we're definitely moving up to this level here between $33.75 and $34. That gets interesting, all right? Because I think this whole level is too strong. I don't think we'll break above that, and I don't think I'm being too bearish in saying that. So first of all, I think we'll find resistance here around $34, drop down. There is actually a chance that we'll take another break retest off of 32.5 and get up a little bit higher towards 34.5 and $35, but that for me really is the maximum. And then I think we will just consolidate a little bit here between 32.5 and $35 ultimately. And then eventually, I still think we're going to drop back down to $30 and down to 29.5. I still think that's going to happen. I mean, if you zoom out a little bit, right here, I mean, if you zoom out, this move really is almost nothing. If you compare it with, I mean, at every low you make during a downtrend, because that's clearly what we have been in ever since the middle of August, sometimes you just have these moves. I mean, here we went up about 9.5%. From this bottom, we're up a little bit more, but that's just with we're up about 9.5%. And as I said, I think we can get a little bit higher. But in general, it still seems bearish to me. So unless we really get a breakout all the way above $36, because that would really be what we would need to do to get bullish again with Solana. And if you think that's realistic, well, then that's your analysis. But I don't see that as realistic. I don't even think it's realistic to break above $35. So yeah, that's basically my update and my analysis on Solana. So if you do have any questions about that, if you disagree, I mean, we can always discuss that in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.